So why dash cams? Well, it gives you protection from fraudulent claims. It's also a great tool for effective driving coaching. You can improve your efficiency and your safety scores very easily by implementing dash cams, and it helps reduce the cost of your claims anywhere from 20 to 40%. And reduced insurance premiums, of course, save you money. But in the event you do have an accident, you certainly have that visibility to see what actually happened on scene with that at the time of the crash and before. So this is an overview. You'll notice there's a rotating ring and mounting bracket for easy installation. It's powered by the Surfsight from Lytix cameras and chipsets. It has a tamper-resistant SIM and 128 gigabyte SD card slot and secured with safety screws. You have an event trigger on the bottom of the device, and you have a 1080p HD adjustable 140 degree wide angle road facing camera and a 720 HD adjustable driver facing camera as well. And it's built for all types of vehicles. So more things to take a look at. You have the 4G LTE connectivity, which is built into the camera itself, and it's on the T-Mobile network, which works great. You have a touchscreen, which enables you to quickly complete the installation and conduct troubleshooting. It also comes standard with the Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor to keep things moving along, and it has a built-in speakers for alert and coaching. You also have an accelerometer, and the artificial intelligence detects distracted driving events and triggers video recordings. So we have taken this dash cam and included it and basically folded it all together with our Fleet Locate program. So you have full integration into our online experience with your web portal from your computer. You have live view, so you can log in and see what your drivers are doing at any given time. You have access to historical recordings. Anytime your vehicle is in motion, it is recording and saving the information. You have video events prefetched and stored in the cloud, so if you have a driver that's not wearing their seatbelt, for example, it's already earmarked and waiting for you to view at your leisure. And all videos are available to stream and download. So what are some of the benefits? How does it work? Well, with the visibility side of it, you can view live video from both outside and inside the cab and retrieve the video anytime the vehicle was in motion. You can review video clips from risky driving events saved in the cloud for up to 30 days. And you can also save those to your computer so you have them for the future. The safety aspect gives you the ability to detect unsafe driving and risking behavior before using the built-in sensors, and the artificial intelligence can monitor the cab and road simultaneously. You also get audible and visual alerts to help the drivers correct risky behavior in real time. It's really the next level of coaching in the cab. So you can hire a safety guy and pay him a bunch of money. Maybe he calls in sick. Maybe your driver doesn't get along with him. I don't know. But it's a very proactive safety solution. It has a built-in distracted driver detection and creates audio and visual alerts to alert the drivers in real time, allowing them to correct the behavior before an incident occurs. This will detect things such as a handheld device, unbelted drivers, drivers smoking, food or drink, and inattentive drivers, period. So some of the safety events that you can sync for prefetch are speeding, and the accelerometer will tell you if there's distracted driving events. You also have the ability to sync this across the board for the various managers and supervisors on your team that need to have access to these videos. So what's in the box? You get your dash cam, you get your mounting bracket, your hardware kit, the proprietary screwdriver to protect the good stuff on board, your installation kit, install guide, and you also have the optional tamper-proof case and OBD harness if you choose to use those. Now, this kind of gives you a quick idea of the event glossary. Button press is pretty obvious. Harsh cornering, pretty obvious. Vibrations if someone's trying to get in the truck and it's not yet started. Distracted driving are the things that we talked about earlier. The tamper aspect will let you know in the event someone's attempting to tamper with the camera itself. It'll also give you alerts for power disconnect, and it'll tell you when the camera comes on. So the pricing structure is very simple. So if you do dash cams and telematic, if you look to the left, there's a chart there. With no contract, the equipment's only $350, $199 installation activation fee, and $79 a month. If you do it with a contract, we'll provide the equipment at no charge with a $99 installation/activation fee at $64.98 a month. If you go to telematic only, which is just the GPS solution without a contract, it's $99 for the equipment, $99 for the installation activation, $24.99 a month. If you go 36-month contract, there's no cost for the equipment. The activation installation is still only $99, and it's $19.99 a month. These are the two accessories we mentioned with the dash cam. You look to the left, or to the bottom, excuse me, you'll see that tamper-proof case eliminates the ability to really mess with anything on the camera itself. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at DCCI 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're online at www.dccicom.com. Have a great day.